Welcome back to the Belffin channel. Today we're unboxing and putting together this awesome corduroy pull-out sleeper sofa. Let's get started. First, unbox all your sofa modules and accessories, and double check to make sure you've got everything. One by one, screw the legs firmly into the threaded holes under each module. Be sure to tighten them well, but don't overdo it. You don't want to strip the threads. Now, bring two modules close together. Gently lift and align the connecting plates so they slot smoothly into the opposite module. You should hear a soft click when they're securely connected. Repeat for all sections. After that, take the brackets and place them into their slots on each module. Press down lightly until they snap fully into place. Make sure everything is aligned and snug. Open the compressed bags and take out the seat cushions and throw pillows. Oh, right, don't forget to fluff the pillow after receiving it. It will become more fluffy that way. The use of pet-friendly fabric ensures that the fabric is better scratch resistant and easy to care for, making it both durable and comfortable. And that's it. Your cloud sofa is fully assembled. Pretty easy, right? Now, let's check out some of its cool features. The sofa is upholstered in a soft Faux Rabbit Fur Corduroy fabric, offering a luxurious and plush feel. Check this out. This section has hidden storage, perfect for blankets, magazines, or anything you want to keep handy but out of sight. And wait, there's more. This part easily pulls out into a comfortable bed, great for guests or lazy movie nights. Enjoy your corduroy pull-out sleeper sofa. See you next time. Bye.